Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my June Beauty Beauty Box. Very excited to check it out. Botanical Beauty. We have another box called the Mask Maven. This little blurb here about the box, as well as the items. So cute. It says aloe there. I love aloe. I got 2 giant aloe veras in my entryway. Ooh, pretty. What do we got here? Rose water skin pads. Let's see if they open. They're sealed, but I can kind of smell them. They smell like actual rose water spray, which isn't too offensive to me. If you're new here, rose isn't my favorite smell. Natural Moisture Balm. I'm guessing this is Natural Oriental Essence. Give more with more freshness. I'm going to have to look that one up on the list here. Whoa, this is big. Cashmere Perfume Sweet Love perfume. I usually get perfume stuff in some of my K-Beauty boxes, but the sad fact is I don't like heavily perfumed items. I actually can't even use them at work because I'm a nurse. Cleansing powder. I actually used the JM Solution cleansing powders on my last trip that I got in Beauteque box from November, and they were amazing. So I'm excited about these. These are actually amazingly good for travel. Oh, so cute. I think it's a little cactus. So cute. And this is hands down one of the things that I love about Beauteque is that they just have that whimsical, charming little playfulness that I love. Super Vegetox mask. So that seems really cool. I'm pretty excited about this. Multi-step mask. Beauteque almost always has 6 items. Let's check it out. So this is a 2-step mask. It's got a cleanser and the sheet mask. Cool. Then there's the water skin pad. It has all the benefits of rose water. After cleansing your place, apply toner pad to dry skin. So that's pretty cool. I do like a toner pad idea. That's a very cool idea for travel and such. Cactus headband is just amazingly cute. On the body, Sweet Love body lotion. It's body lotion. It's probably going to find another home. Oriental Herb Cleansing Powder. I'm really excited about this. It's supposed to remove dead skin cells, fine lines, pores, impurities, leaving the skin more radiant. So this is going to be good. And Natural Moisture Lip Balm. Also good. Pretty excited. This was a really cute, simple box. Beauteque is probably turning into, I mean, I've gotten it so long now. And it always has at least one thing that I really like. And it's got a charming, whimsical, not take itself too seriously vibe. And I love that. Because I'm really not a ride or die beauty fan. I love K-Beauty, but I'm liking the playfulness too. I really like that. And the cute packaging and stuff like that's one of my favorite things. So, pardon me. This is my Beauteque box for June. Stay tuned. I've got a Bummy Box unboxing. I've got my K-Beauty side-by-side for the month of June. And then my K-Beauty project pan update with a giveaway. So please stay tuned for all of that. I look forward to interacting with you guys. So comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for all my subscribers. I love you guys. And I will talk to you soon.